Hey, if you want to connect Nothing Phone to A Plus with your car, then first of all, you will have to go into settings. Right now, you will have to move into connected devices, select connection preferences, and then go for the Android Auto. Now you will be redirected into the Google Play Store, and in most cases, you will have to actually update Android Auto application, so you will have to also be connected into the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And now after a few moments, you can just go back and click on the Android Auto one more time and click to connect a car. And you've got actually like two methods. The first one, it's wired and wireless. So if you have a USB port, the Auto Android compatible, you can basically plug it right here into the USB-C port of your Nothing Phone 2A Plus and then also plug it into your phone. But if you don't have this, you can go for the wireless method, select here, and you've got two options. You can press and hold the voice command button to sign up on your car. If you don't have this button on your steering wheel, then you should actually take a look into your media interface on the screen and search for the Bluetooth settings, but also you can click right here and connect using Bluetooth. So you can click to pair a car, and now from the list you will be able to select your car right here. So that will be all.